Hello and welcome to another gadget review by Gulf News. Today we are reviewing the Huawei Watch Fit 2. First, let's unbox the watch. To start using the watch, you have to pair it with the health app on your Huawei device. It's a fairly easy process. All you have to do is follow the instructions on your phone and watch screen. Make sure your device's Bluetooth has been toggled on to pair the watch successfully. Once paired, allow updates, if any, for optimal functioning. Now you can go ahead and change the watch face on your health app. For this, you'll have to head to the devices option on your phone and go to watch faces. Here you will be able to see the different watch faces to choose from. You can pick from the different styles and you can even check in the free options. Huawei gives you many free options and really good watch faces to choose from. Huawei seems to have increased the number of free options as compared to the Band 7. You can actually choose from over 1,000 faces from the Huawei Health app. You can even upload a picture of your own to use as the watch face. To change your watch face, all you have to do is click on the watch face of your choice, press on install, and you can see it installing over here, and immediately it gets changed. Now, one thing I love about this watch is its simple design that makes it perfect to wear with any outfit. It comes in 7 strap styles, 2 of which are classic leather straps like this one, 3 are silicone straps, and 2 are the more classic metallic straps. The Watch Fit 2 comes with a 1.74-inch AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 336 into 480 pixels, which is 336 ppi or pixels per inch. The bezels are narrower than other active wearables by Huawei but bigger than the Band 7. Some things you will love about the watch, other than the neat display, one of the first things I noticed was the battery life. In full use, one charge cycle has lasted me about 5 days or a little more. Another good thing is that the watch has a 5 ATM rating for water resistance, which means it can be used for water activities like swimming in a pool or the ocean. It comes with a full suite of health features and a healthy living management shamrock. The watch is perfect for people who follow a regular fitness regime. It has 97 workout modes. If you go to the workout section, you can scroll up and down and see these workout options. It also gives you courses and plans so that you can squeeze some physical activity in through the day. This is great if you have a desk job or a sedentary lifestyle. It adopts some features of the GT Runner series in terms of tracking health and workout metrics and upgraded satellite system as compared to the Band 7. It's also reasonably priced among the current hybrid smartwatches in the market. So the next feature to me is the best in this price range. This watch has Bluetooth calling. The device has an inbuilt speaker which you can see right here. and expanded connectivity, which allows you to answer calls on Bluetooth. You can broadcast your workout messages, and you can also play music off your wrist if you need some motivation during your workout. Now, other than the fitness and activity features, your Watch Fit 2 also has an automatic SpO2 monitor. It also has a heart rate monitor and a stress monitor. The good thing is that it sends you alerts when your heart rate is measured as high. And when you head to bed at night, it even offers scientific sleep monitoring to analyze your sleep quality. The Fit 2 is compatible with phones operating both on Android and Apple operating systems. Another interesting feature is that if you set a password to the watch, it auto-locks when you take it off your wrist. The smartwatch allows you customization such as ambient light sensor to choose the brightness level of your watch face, including an always-on display option that can be used while you're working out. Overall, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 covers both style and function. It has improved features as compared to your previous offerings in the same price range. The bezels are thin, and the best part is that this watch allows you to receive calls, a feature that is not available on watches at a similar price point. If you want to see some of Huawei's other offerings, we have reviewed some for you on gulfnews.com. Stay tuned as we bring you more gadget reviews.